Good morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today, I'll be discussing about the topic that is zero academic year. What exactly the zero academic year stands? In this, what happens is we don't have the schools, colleges, and coaching institutes. All will be banned. If it is banned, also being a parent, are you ready to send your children to the respective places? Is that safe for their health? So how you have to utilize this is one thing which we have to remember. So what exactly the zero hour is? Zero academic year, as you can see, there will not be any children in the schools and you will have the empty in the schools. So are you ready to send to the schools respective irrespective of any circumstances? It has to be taken care of by the parents. How exactly this time can be utilized? Though it is a waste of time, it was already 100 days have finished and there is no studies for the children. How exactly we can utilize them? As a parent, it's a lockdown period. How exactly we have monitored the children and how exactly we can make out for the stronger strength of their knowledge. So let us see exactly what has been given in it. We request whoever the parents to provide the books of respective classes and tell them to prepare as per the whatever the class respective schools to tie up with them and take the books and let them prepared by the help of you as well as their teacher. Give them the task. You have to provide the task to them, whatever they had read it, they are going to read, and whatever the books you have brought them, you monitor them, you clear their doubts. You have to give the task from the initial day to the last day. And as you can see, I request you guys to go through my playlist where you will find near about 800 plus question papers for various examinations, and you have a different topics for all subjects. That will be one of the finest way. You have to create the schedule, how exactly he has to read the subjects, and you have to make a plan as per you and tell them to go through whatever the plan have been given, whatever the schedule is provided, and provide them gadgets as well as internet facility for them, because it is very important. The provision of internet as well as gadgets is mandatory. Without that they can't overcome. So do not think of taking behind. Teach how to utilize the YouTube. It's very important thing. The YouTube is one of the finest source where you can get all doubts gets cleared. So YouTube is one of the finest source. How to use voice search? Please remember, voice search is one thing. We have to teach them how to utilize instead of typing. They will be one of the finest way of learning, and YouTube is the only source where you can get maximum information. Check their work and correct. It's your duty as a parent to check their work, how exactly they are doing it, what exactly the correct spellings, punctuations and grammar, handwriting and presentation, included the title, date, whatever the thing they had prepared. You have to provide them good stationaries and correct them and check them if they are doing anything wrong. You have to evaluate them and reward them after finishing whatever the task that has been given. It's one thing, as a child we expect something from the parents. If they had done a good job, that is to be rewarded, whether irrespective of giving the free time or giving the any food items. Ask their senior to cooperate. Tie up with your relatives or your friends, whoever is senior, and ask them to come to your home for some period and provide them with the good facilities and tell them to teach something for the juniors. And you can have a group study in your home itself by having 3 to 4 people together. You have to succeed in your life, so you have to utilize with your seniors and your parents. Use the technology with care. Do not give them a misguide towards movies or series, web series. There are various channels which are misguiding them, like Prime Videos, whatever the movie channels. Please uninstall them. Do not give them the time to go through all movies. You can entertain them for the educational movies. You can advise them and tell them what exactly they have learned from the movies. Uninstall the social media and mute them. We request, whenever using your smartphone, you please provide them with the no social network because that will be disturbance during the classes. So it's very important to uninstall whatever the Facebook or WhatsApp exist. So you have to uninstall whatever the social network. Human has the ability to adapt. It is very important that people should remember human has the ability to adapt in a different situations. In a typical situations where we are the humans, we know how to utilize this. So wake up. As you can see, Stephen Hawking, how he had utilized his life by using the technology. So this is one thing we have to learn from the people. It is very important that it is not necessary, these are all excuses. If anybody is interested to learn something, he doesn't need friends, he doesn't need teachers, he has to have only the strength to learn and the zeal to learn. Don't waste your time. Someone will correct and someone will do something, and we'll have the schools again, we'll have the golden days. This may take 1 or 2 years to correct it, and nobody is ready to send it. So don't waste your life in thinking about someone will correct your life. That's you have to create yourself. Prepare well during this time. It is important to prepare well during the typical time, whatever the time, it's pandemic time. So during this time you have to prepare well for the any kind of entrance examinations, though the time is a limited one, and you have to practice the maximum. So you have to be ahead of your friends and rock in your life. Study something different which you haven't learned. As an example, you can see my YouTube channel, how exactly I prepared. You can directly go through all the subjects have been given, different kings, and there whatever the role and everything I had given for all competitive examinations, and subject wise it has been given. You can have a look and you can go through that. I request you have give a call on 7666730252 if you have any queries, or you can message me by WhatsApp. You will be given 2100 PDF of GK and GS. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Have a great life.